sand. Is it the most beautiful place you've ever seen?
Well, I don't know. I'm not sure we ought to be up here on the surface.
Don't be such a dummy.
I'm as brave as you are. There's only one thing I'm afraid of.
What's that?
Fishermen. And nets. Afraid of nets. Hooks too. There's many hooks. And sharks. And jellyfish. And stingrays. And packets. And all kinds of things over this area. And landing at the number 750,000.
Oh, Flounder, you really are a guppy.
I am not.
You'll never guess what I found today. It was in the wake of a giant ship.
What? Treasure?
I'll say, look! Isn't it the most beautiful thing you've ever seen?
Wow, cool. What is it?
I don't know. Stand alone. I'll raise you.
Don't forget to hit that bell. That's all, folks.